This is my 2020 Z4 M40i that I just recently bought. And I'm going to show you in this video how it is. Well, let's first of all take a look from the outside. It comes with this phenomenal red metallic. I think it's called San Francisco red. And I do love the way it looks, to be honest. So, this is my dream car of many years. Well, it kind of is, because I've always loved the Mark V Supra. I love the B58 engine, which this car also has. In case you don't know, this is the exact same car as the Supra. Same chassis, same transmission, same engine. But this is a convertible, right? So, why I ended up getting these instead of the Supra, if I do like so much the Supra? Well, first of all, look how beautiful this looks. But, well, I think the main reason is the top-down experience is super cool. I had the chance to test drive one of these, and I immediately knew this was what I was looking for, but also the price. And here's the thing, these cars are way more expensive if you get them new from the BMW dealership than the Supras. But when it comes to the second-hand market, it is different. I got this for way less than what they are asking for the Supras here in Spain. And to be honest, I didn't feel like paying 15k more for essentially the same car. I know that the Supra is maybe more tuned towards being sporty, although this feels sporty enough for me, to be honest. It has everything I want. So let's actually hop on the car and drive this thing for a bit. Well, today's a bit cloudy, but it's not raining right now, so let's go for a drive right now. I do have the microphone here, so maybe I'm going to move it. Let me just set this up here. All right, so let's drive top down. I'm going to roll up the windows and let's talk about this. To be honest, hearing the engine, the B58, while top down, oh my gosh, I'm just so in love with this, guys. In case you didn't know, or you are not a subscriber of the channel, I also own an Abarth 595, and I do keep, I'm planning to keep the car. It is a bit wet, so it's going to spin a bit. Let's be careful. I'm not going to turn off the traction control, obviously, but yeah, this car is so cool. It is obviously a step up from my Abarth, but I'm planning to keep that car as a daily. It is cool, it is fast enough, sounds amazing as well. Not as good as this B58 inline 6 from BMW. It is a pretty famous engine nowadays for its tune capabilities, but also because of how reliable this thing really is. So let me plan. Okay, I know. Let's go that way because it's going to be chill. So we can put the car in manual with the paddle shifters. It keeps popping all the time. The sound is phenomenal. If you go in Sport Plus, I love this car so much, man. But you can also keep this car in Eco Pro or Comfort. I've managed to do really good mileage with this car. If you want numbers, I went from Madrid to my hometown, which is around 250 kilometers away, and I've managed to get 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers, which, to be honest, for this kind of engine, I think it's phenomenal. It's a very good mileage. I'm getting that with the Abarth, for example. So obviously, if you ask this car for more, it will start consuming way more. That's obviously what's going to happen. But oh, there's the police. I'm not doing anything wrong. So yeah, guys, this is basically a dream for me. It is my dream car. If you talk about cars that I can possibly buy, at least right now, of course I love Lambos and Ferraris, but hey, this is really good as well. So yeah, when it comes to extras, this car has plenty of them. We have the Harman Kardon. We also have the seats with oh my god, I don't know how to say this in English, but yeah, they get warm if you press this button. I'm sorry for that. Also the steering wheel gets heated. Yeah, the heated seats. Harman Kardon. We have the M stitching in the seat belts, which is also an extra. What else do we have? We have adaptive cruise control, we have LEDs, very smart everything. I think this is iDrive 7. It's not the latest, but I think BMW still sells these Z4s with this exact configuration and the iDrive and everything. I think it looks fine and it works fine. It has plenty of options. You also have the connected drive, which means that you can take a look at your BMW through the BMW app. You can look there how many miles you have left. You can turn on the AC, heat the car if you are going for a drive. I don't know if we're getting too many wind noise right now, so I'm actually going to slow down a bit, and I'm going to check. So I've just checked, the microphone was fine. I have stopped here, so now that we have stopped again, let's take a look at the trunk. It's not bad at all for the kind of car it is, and also when you put the top down, it doesn't occupy any space of the trunk. Let's also take a look at the engine bay. This B58 engine. So here it is. It's just so cool to own one of these, to be honest. And well, it's not a Supra, but it's it might be better, you know. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, guys, I think this is pretty much going to be it for the video. I'm going to be obviously bringing POV videos with this baby to the channel. Hopefully we're going to be meeting some friends with Supras and nice cars as well. So in case you want to have a look at that, consider subscribing, liking the video, and see you on the next one.